Hi guys, look at this. They say, oh yeah, big deal, it's rain. Guys, it hadn't rained in over a month right now since El Nino. It has not rained. This was our first rain in a month. You can hear that thunder booming. Oh, this is so nice. The cows are going to love it. I mean, you felt it too. You could feel the humidity just, it was just building. Man. It sure is nice. I was sitting down going over scripture for Sunday because it's my turn to preach, and man, it's coming down hard too. It rained yesterday down south of us. It never rained up here. And you got lightning going everywhere. I would equal this with a good Texas thunderstorm. There was no rain to be scheduled for today. There's the lady with the hollow stand down there. Down here is our Talipapa store, and we brought in everything that needed to be brought in. We needed it. We needed it badly. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, this is so nice. Even it feels good on my feet. It's hitting my feet. Thank you for watching.